Hi guys, I'm back. Well, I've always been here, but yeah, back on film. And yeah, like I said, I had to come home and do a bit of work on the old car. So and yeah, I was putting the brakes out because yeah, I didn't really have any good brakes. So we'll just check them out. They're not even existent. Wow. That's what they should look like. Yeah, pretty thick. This is the one I had in my car. Yeah. Big difference. Yeah, it's completely worn away. It's just steel on steel. So yeah, that's no good. So yeah, I'll keep working. I have to get this car fixed, and yeah, then I've got to do the other side, and then I'm going to change the oil. So I want to try and get done before dark. And yeah, listen to a bit of music, do a bit of mechanicking. Adios, see you guys.